Hai teman-teman, siapa bilang habis bersihin sisa kulkas, esnya nggak bisa buat main? Nah ini dia salah satu ide yang kita gunakan. Kita jadi bikin es krim dari sisa serutan es dan juga watercolor. Nah jadi dia mau bikin es krim nih teman-teman. Ini es krim ungu punya dia. Jadi serutan esnya is fun for the kids to play with. Oh no, tumpah. It's okay. It's okay. Just take it out. Oh, you can make a new one. Alright, have fun. Jadi selamat bersenang-senang dengan es serut sisa bersihin snow dari kulkas. Ini teman-teman. What are you making, Pips? Ice cream? Ice cream with the color water and the ice. Yeah, ice from the fridge that we clean, right, Pip? Yeah. Show me how you make it. You need more ice, buddy. Take more ice. No, from here. With the scoop. It's fun, is it? Yeah. Which color do you want to make? This is how Pip Pip make the purple ice cream. Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me. Show me. Wow. Mix, mix. You're gonna need more ice to mix. Oh, 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 oh. Scoop. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay, you can take more. Oh, where is it just now? There. More. Then, gonna mix with color. Wow. Okay, so are you? So Papa Mama? Where's the ice? The ice, Pip, the ice color, where is it? With the ice color, where is it? Tell Mama it's ice cream. Ice cream. Show it. Where's the ice? Nice.